Welcome to Daily Tax Minute. This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on how to stay out of tax trouble. Let's jump right in. Today's topic is barter income. Now, the tax law and the courts have upheld that virtually all barter is taxable. People have a hard time believing that. If you mow your neighbor's grass and their kid watches your kids in the weekend, that's a taxable exchange under the law. But it's not enforced. When's the last time you ever heard somebody actually reporting a transaction like that on two different tax returns? And why have you never heard it come up in audit or someone being prosecuted or chased for that type of thing? Well, there's another issue involved. We run a voluntary compliance tax system, and for government's sake and for society's sake, it does not make sense to undermine faith in the tax system and in government. In other words, it would not pay to piss people off and enforce taxes on those types of transactions. So it's just not done. How should you handle it if you're in that situation? Well, I would compare it to jaywalking. If you've ever jaywalked, ever, crossing a city street in the middle of a block, you don't run up to the officer standing on the corner and taunt him and say, "Hey, I just jaywalked. What are you going to do about it?" That's not the smart way to handle the situation. So use some common sense, balance those things out, and just be aware that virtually all barter, services and goods, in business and not in business, is under the law a taxable event. We'd love to hear your feedback. I'm available for one-on-one. Find me at taxproblems.cpa, and I'll be back tomorrow with another tax